redneck or an Idaho wise man. My arms are dark, my body ain't tan. I go out a hunting, not just looking for a buck. I don't drive a Ford or a monster truck. I'm just a cowboy from Ohio. Not a rub-spitting, hog-kicking, frog-gigging marksman. Tried to load a loaded musket, nearly lost my hand. Didn't ride a western or a shiny sunset ballad. The only ranch I ever built fattened up my salad. Just a cowboy from Ohio. We take a break on the Scioto. We get confused with Iowa. Don't bother us, not an iota. I'm just a cowboy. Ohio. I ended up in tears, eating some kittens' friskies. Tried to have a beer, followed by some whiskey. Tried to make wine, turned it into moonshine. I sing with a slant, cause I'm musically inclined. I'm just a cowboy from Ohio. I don't have CDs, got more records than Gretzky. If you like green broken things, my tractor's pretty sexy. All of my fireworks are gone before June. Even my radio can't hold a tune. I'm just a cowboy from Ohio. We take a break on the Scioto. We get confused with our